Welcome students, my name is Al Drushler and I'll be your instructor for Math 255 online this semester, and I just wanted to create a quick video to show you how to navigate the course and MyLabs Plus. So first you would click on courses, go to D2L. You'll be able to search your courses by semester. Here you can navigate to spring 2019 if you want, and you won't have as many courses as I do. But you can click on the course, 255, 4W1. That'll take you into our course. I've already put up an announcement, so please just email me or call me at this number if you have any questions at all. I have a lot of dates attached to things, so you'll notice on the calendar here, if you clicked on January 12th, which is today, that is a quick way to get to the module that we're working on. But you do want to click on Content up here. Gives you an overview of the course, and then course schedule also has that information that's attached to dates, so it doesn't really have, you can click full schedule to get everything. January 12th, I noticed with upcoming it doesn't show today's, so you have to click full schedule to see that. But it's really just taking you quickly to the modules. So over here on the left side are all the modules. And I'm going to go in actually view as a student, so you see it as a student. And you can see if you click on getting started, it opened up a few submodules. So there's a discussion board, introduction, you can go ahead and do that. And then all these links are just links with information. So please, please, please go in ASAP and read all of that information. And then when you, these are logins, basically, just links to various places to log in. Tests can be taken through Examity. Proctored tests can be taken through Examity. You'll read all that information in the Getting Started. Here's a link for online office hours with directions. But the content is found under these units. So Unit 1 is a module that expands the submodules. You could see where it begins. Begins January 12th. Begins January 19th. Begins. So click on the module. And here we are at that Chapter 1 module, right, which if you go through the calendar, January 12th, it'll take you right to this module. And I have information in these links here. This is a graphing calculator manual. Once you're in, you can go right and left if you want. This took me to the MyLabs Plus. But if you go back here, back to the unit, you can follow the breadcrumbs back. If you go to Chapter 2, there's more. Notice these are not links yet. You need to finish Chapter 1 first, and then on January 19th, these will become links. These are videos that I've made. So if I go back as an instructor to show you Unit 2, you'll be able to see that. Chapter 2, I mean. Notice here, you click on this, it takes you to a video that is made by me. So again, make sure you read. Chapter 1 is mostly definitions, but Chapter 2 we start getting into more how to do things, so there's more involved in Chapter 2, so I've uploaded a lot of videos. And then the last thing in each submodule for each chapter is the link to MyLabs Plus. So I'm gonna log out. Your username is the same username that you have at the college, the one right before you're at dtcc.edu. If you have never used MyLabs Plus and have not changed your password, the password is Math Student, one word, Math Student. If you've changed your password, then just use the password that you have changed it to. Now you won't see all these courses here, but you'll see your course. So I'm going to click on the course. So you click on the course to get in. This is where you do your homework, quizzes, and your tests, which are proctored, but they're taken in MyLabs Plus. So here, you can click on Course Home, which we were at, and there's a couple different ways to get to the assignments. You can see assignments right here. They all have due dates, so just make sure you pay attention to these due dates. Or you could just click on the word assignments right here, and it shows you all the assignments listed for the course. Homework, quiz, homework, quiz, test. So it follows that same kind of pattern. I suggest you look at a few other items in here. Tools for success. a lot of information, and multimedia library. Multimedia library is where you can go and get the multimedia textbook. So if you click on that, you can actually get a copy of the textbook. It's loading a little slow, but that's okay. All right. So you do have the textbook available to you online here. There's other things too. You might want to take a look at all the different things that are available to you. So each chapter, whatever you want to find in here, each chapter has all these different things available to you. So again, your information about the course is found in D2L. Also, discussion boards and projects will be done in D2L. And then homework, tests, and quizzes are done in MyLabs Plus. All right, and back in getting started, I have an instructor information page. So read through that. There's my email, there's my phone number, and actually that phone number has changed. So I'm going to go ahead and change that here. So it's 302-571-5335. So go ahead and give me a call, and I'd be happy to meet with you. We can do online meetings if you want through Zoom. So just let me know, and we can schedule an appointment to meet and go over any kind of questions you have. All right, good luck, and look forward to working with you throughout the course.